Hi, hello, welcome to our channel Royal Architecture. Today I will be talking about one of our most recently completed projects, which is at Mahavir Apartments, Hosur Road, Bangalore. The kitchen is 3 years old and the size is 5 feet by 7 feet. First, let me show you how the kitchen was before. There was no proper layout plan according to the customer requirements for the provision of the washing machine. Our client wanted a tall unit to make space for the microwave oven. Let's see how our designer helped them to visualize their kitchen in 3D view. After crafting them in the factory, we shifted materials to site and started the installation. Let's take a look of ongoing progress in the site. Specifically, we have selected the high glossy batch and frosty white laminate, which is contrasting the nano white countertop. Let's have a look how the kitchen is looking after the renovation.